Hi friends, let's see the poem The Epileptic by K.N. Darwala. In this poem, The Epileptic, Darwala explains the suffering of a woman who suddenly got a fit of epilepsy while traveling in an auto rickshaw along with her husband and two children. Now let's see the poem. The first stanza. Suddenly the two children flew from her side like severed wings. Thank God the burden in her belly stayed where it was. The rickshaw puller was a study in guilt. It was too much for him, the convulsionary and her frightening kids floundering about in a swamp of limbs. Suddenly the two children flew from her side like severed wings. The mother got epilepsy all on a sudden. Seeing this, her two children jumped out from the rickshaw in fear and began to run away. Thank God the burden in her belly stayed where it was. The burden in her belly indicates that she was pregnant and the child is safe in her belly. The rickshaw puller was a study in guilt. The rickshaw puller felt guilty in himself, thinking that he was responsible for the state of women. It was too much for him, the convulsionary and her frightening kids, floundering about in a swarm of limbs. It was too much for the husband to see his children frightened and also see the convulsionary. Convulsionary is the mother. The state of the mother, her violent irregular motion of the limbs. Now the next stanza. A focus in the brain or some such flap. The look had gone from the mother's eyes, the way her children had flown from her lap. A focus in the brain or some such flap. Suddenly, on a moment, the mother had a focus in her brain. The look had gone from the mother's eyes, the way her children had flown from her lap. The mother realizes how her children flew from her lap when she had a sudden epilepsy. Now, the next stanza. The husband dug through the mound, that was her face, forced the mouth wide, plucked out the receding tongue, wrapped into a clotted wound, and put a gag between her teeth. The face of the epileptic became a mound of flesh. Mound is a heap or a raised mass. The husband is digging through the mound. The mound is the face of the wife. He was touching the face of the wife and recognized it was her face. Then he forced the mouth wide, plucked out the receding tongue. He made her mouth wide open, pulled forward her tongue, which is inwards, and wrapped in a clotted wound and put a gag between her teeth. Then what he is doing? He thrusted something between her teeth. He thrusted or inserted something, a cloth or anything maybe, between her teeth. Stanza. The traffic ground to an inquisitive halt. A crowd senses a mishap before it sees one. They fanned her, rubbed her feet, and looked around. The traffic ground to an inquisitive halt. The traffic is becoming a sudden halt, a stop. Traffic becomes a sudden stop. A crowd. Crowd means everyone there. Everyone there realizes something is not going well. A crowd senses a mishap before it sees one. It means everyone there senses that something is not going there well. Suddenly they had seen the lady. They came near her. They fanned her, rubbed her feet, and looked around. They came near her and fanned her, rubbed her feet, and tried many other ways to revive her consciousness. The next stanza. For other ways to summon back her senses, a pedestrian whispered, her seizures are cyclic, they visit in her menses. Pedestrian is a person who is walking by that side. He says, her epileptic seizures are cyclic. Her epileptic seizures are cyclic as they happen or visit during her menses time. Now, the next stanza. She was not hysteric, she didn't travel, her face was flushed, abstract, the marionette, head jerked from side to side, A slave to cross pulse, a thin edge of froth simmered round her lips like foam drugs left by a receding wave. She was not hysteric. Hysteric means she was not in an uncontrollable state or she didn't travel. She is not in a complicated state. She is not in an uncontrollable state. Also, she is not in a complicated state. But her face was flushed. Her face was flushing, very pale and abstract, very clear. The marionette, like the marionette, the puppet. What does puppet do? Her jerked from side to side a slave to cross pulse, while someone is crossing the pulse. It will jerk its head side to side, shake its head from side to side. A thin edge of froth simmered round her lips. Now, froth began to form round her lips forms formed from waves. A thin edge of froth simmered round her lips like foam drugs left by a receding wave. The next stanza, the hospital doctors frowned with thought, light birds like petit mal were tied to the heavies, psychomotor epilepsy, a physician pointed out with pride the spike and wave electrical activity, prescribed belladonna and paraldehyde. She was rushed to the hospital immediately. Some doctors there uses light words. The hospital doctors frowned with thought, light words like petit mal were tied to the heavies. Some doctors uses light words and others explain her disease with difficult or heavy words. A physician diagnosed her disease as the spike and wave electrical activity. A physician, a doctor, pointed out with pride the spike and wave electrical activity. Her disease is the spike and wave electrical activity and also prescribed medicines such as belladonna and paraldehyde. Last stanza, just when he said she is not shaping too well, she recovered, bleached white and utterly raped. As a limp awareness slouched along her face, I found it was her husband who was shaking. Just when the doctor said she is not shaping too well, she was not doing well, she recovered. While the doctor said her condition is not well, she recovered. Bleached white. Bleached white means she was pale and in a completely exhausted, very tired state and utterly raped. Utterly raped means she was raped by the look of the public gaze. The way she was treated by the public is similar to raping her. As a limp awareness slouched along her face as she was recovering, it was found the husband was shaking. The reason is not given, it may be due to the heavy hospital bill.